All right, we have another question here. It is I paid TD Bank a settlement amount in a lump sum after being summoned. How do I how do I go about this now? Am I still going to have to go to court? There is no defense anymore since I paid it. They said they will dismiss it after paying it. How do I prove that I paid though? In my settlement answer response, you just put you can however you paid it, if you paid it by card, you paid it by check, money order, transfer, whatever way, just download that little section from your account, or just whatever receipt that they gave you, and you should send that to the court to either take it down there or send it to them, because you want to make sure that they are notified of it so there's no moving forward. But I'm pretty sure if you paid it 10 times out of 10, they will do dismiss it. It's just got to work through the process. Now that they got the money, they're not focused on you, they're more focused on the people that haven't paid. They're going to eventually get to you with your documentation, and you should have gotten some type of receipt or something from them, just saying that they're going to do what they're going to do. But I don't think you have anything to worry about, but you should stay on them about sending you something, either by email or by mail, or something that you have from them showing that everything was settled, and that this is going to be dismissed. But I don't think that you're going to have anything to worry about. So, but to kind of go back for everyone that's watching this video, when you're making settlements, you should get some type of agreement, either email or something in writing, just stating that this is the agreement. They may not want to make it look like that there's some type of receipt or something. Sometimes it's even hard for them to even send you anything, and you have to just really kind of trust that the transaction will be done the proper way. But you push as hard as you can to get something in writing, email just saying, hey, we did agree on this, and I need to make this payment within a certain amount of days. And then that will, at least you'll have something that to fall back on if something was to go wrong, or if they were not to hold to their words. Um, I do not advise people to send it by check. I do not advise doing credit cards or debit cards, but in some cases you may have to. That's why you could say, send it to me in an email saying that this is the agreed amount, this is all that's going to be taken, and that this will be considered settlement in full when I do this. And then you can use your debit card or your credit card or something, because if you don't have their words, they could try to just zing that whole thing up for the full amount, and then they would be like, okay, take me to court because we have documentation saying that you owe this whole amount. That has been done before to people, so don't do it. Best case scenario, get the agreement, send them a cashier's check, money order straight to them. Deal is done within a time period of time. They get you a letter back, the receipt saying that they got it, that it cashed, everything is good, and you'll be able to move forward. Even with credit cards and with debit cards, they may not want to send you the letter until 30 days, because you can actually charge back the amount, or they may try to get some type of digital signature on that. I mean, the uh, the ruthlessness on this works both ways when it comes to using credit cards to make payments on stuff. So, all right, I hope that that helped you out. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different. If you can follow our process, we invite you to become a customer. If not, please choose a different company. If you need your credit reports and scores, you should always know what's on your credit reports and know your scores. Go to the website the number 3scores.com. And if you need the cease and desist collection activities letter, the statute of limitations letter, or the debt validation letter, all of those links are below this video. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.